Man, cheating and camping in your fucking spawns, and you guys are trash.
Why you guys so mad? Using a shotgun, how's it an
Boy, shut up. You have no room to talk. You a cheater. You have no room to talk.
I'm a cheater. This is cheating?
Bro, you are hip finding.
How am I cheating? Yeah.
While you are locking onto somebody.
Locking onto somebody?
So fucked up. Yes, bro. Don't know what you're talking about.
Trust me?
What remaining?
Fuck. Yo, man. He killed us with the same fucking bullet.
He's got two kills.
Logging on. Overhead.
You're an actual nitbag running about that shotgun, man.
Yo, damn, teammate. Hit 4 and 3.
My shotgun don't shoot that fast.
He said my shotgun don't shoot that fast. Oh, no.
I don't think it's all that, but my shit just don't shoot that fast.
Hell no, he probably got the chronophane.
He said he got the Cronus on!
He got the chronophane after.